Not all of these rare pennies can be found while coin roll hunting or in your spare change, but some of them can. Whether you're into coin roll hunting or coin collecting, you'll want to see this video. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, sit, relax, and enjoy the video. This 1909 Lincoln cent sold for $42,100. It struck about 10% off center, and came in at an MS65. This type of error is very common, but the off-center strike doesn't start paying off until you reach about 5% or more. The date and condition of the penny have a lot to do with the price. This 1998 S Lincoln cent sold for $4,560. It was struck a second time after rotating in the collar. You probably won't find a San Francisco minted proof in your pocket change though. This 1961 D Lincoln cent sold for $4,600. It was struck through on a 1960 D small date cent and came in at a grade of AU 58. The 1960 date and the mint mark can clearly be seen southwest of the other date on Lincoln's vest. This 1983 Lincoln cent sold for $23,500. Lincoln cents transitioned from mostly copper planchets to mostly zinc planchets in mid-1982 because of the higher price of copper. Not many of these coins have been found, and there's likely more out there in circulation. That's why I weigh all of my 1983 pennies. This 1999 Lincoln cent sold for a whopping $138,000. This penny is referred to as a muled die because the obverse and reverse were stamped out of dies from two different denominations. The obverse is a 1999 Lincoln cent, and the reverse is a dime. To keep up with the latest news and videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.